Hello, students. The topic of the speech is Independence Day. Respected dignitaries, teachers, and friends, it is my privilege to commemorate India's Independence Day today, 15th August 2025, marking 78 years of freedom. This day recalls the historic moment in 1947 when India, after nearly 200 years of colonial rule, awoke to life and freedom at Nehru's tryst with destiny. Our independence was not gifted. It was earned through the unyielding resolve of freedom fighters. The Swadeshi movement sparked economic resistance in the early 1900s. The non-cooperation and Salt March demanded justice, and during the Quit India movement, thousands were arrested or martyred. Revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, and many more embraced martyrdom, while women leaders such as Aruna Asaf Ali and Sarojini Naidu stood strong. Since independence, our nation has journeyed far. We have engineered world-class infrastructure and expanded healthcare to over 50 crore citizens through Ayushman Bharat. We now rank among the world's top economies, and our space program, highlighted by the Nisar satellite mission with NASA, showcases our global leadership in science. Our vision for the future rests on a concept echoed by the PM, learning from India's rich past, be it the Chola Empire's economic strength, to craft a Viksit Bharat by 2047, driven by integrity, innovation, inclusion, and unity. As students, it is our duty to honor the sacrifices of our ancestors through study, service, and citizenship. Let every Indian uphold democracy, celebrate diversity, and take pride in our scientific, cultural, and moral advancement. The legacy of our freedom fighters lives on in each of us, and may we build the nation they dreamed of. Happy 79th Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.
Don't forget to subscribe.